Guys, so today we are in the allotment and I'm going to pick up some courgette. So I have 6 plants of courgette or 8, and all of them are having fruits. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So these are all courgette. There is round variety, look at that, and the long variety courgette, but that's not ready. I'm going to take this one. Look. So this one is ready. All right. Oh, good size. And this one is a round one. I didn't know that they will survive because of the cold weather, but look, not bad. And I think I have seen one more here. Yeah. Oh yes, they're nice to eat when this size. Look at that. Good, not bad at all. So I have 3, and now everything is growing so far. And also we're going, oh, that one has a 3 courgette. Yeah, and this is a pumpkin. See how it's growing down there. Oh, yeah, a new pumpkin here coming. I cannot see a male one, so we'll see. They need the germinating. Look. So we have plenty of tomatoes, all flowering, and this is the sweet corn. Look at that, huge now. Sweet peas eaten by the pigeons, but there are some fruit coming there. Beans, and these are the rest of the tomatoes. Look. And there are little tomatoes also here. These ones are quite small, but hopefully they will also survive. It's very hot now here. And the potatoes, and so today we're going to harvest also potatoes. Yeah, so far we only dug 8 plant potatoes. So today we dig that 2 there. And these are the runner beans, so flowering. And these are my lavender and my flowers. Look at that, lovely. So these are the cabbages also grown. I need to weed there because I saw some weed inside. And these ones are mix of cabbages and broccoli and cauliflower. I think I have seen one already. Huh? Look at the cabbage, it's coiling. And that one, that broccoli, nearly ready. And the cauliflower is small, but still good. Look, not bad. Yeah. And these are raspberry. I saw one red one here, and the bird is after it. Look at that. Just one fruit. Look at that. So let us taste this raspberry. Nice and sweet. And I saw another one there. Here. I'll give to my husband because this is his favorite. So these are the potatoes I dug. Two plants potato, enough for us. So I'm going to take some lettuce now. Yeah, here is the lettuce. Oh, there's a big huge one there. Look at that. Yeah. Bah. And this one is huge. Cool. Takes ages to. Not enough. Yeah. So I watered everything, and it's getting dark now. It's around 9 o'clock in the evening, and so many insects about, and it's biting us. That's why I'm wearing a jacket always. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. So these are the plants I watered. Actually it's 10 o'clock in the evening, but the sun just set over there. Look, very nice cloud, isn't it? So tomorrow we'll come again here, hopefully, and water again. So it will be hot tomorrow, so the plants need water.